Hi everyone, I'm glad you came by today. Welcome to my channel, Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a video on a Dutch pour. I've been, haven't done one for a long time. I've been doing the odd one here and there lately, but I'm trying to get used to my blowing with the hairdryer, so I'm going to do another one today, and it's going to be all blues and purple. So yeah, let's get going and we'll get started. See you in a minute. Hi everybody, welcome. I'm going to do my Dutch pour now. I'm just spreading down my white paint. This is a 12 by 12 canvas board. It's actually a pouring board. I got it at Michael's a while ago. So it's made a little different than a canvas. I think it has a board underneath the canvas. Maybe it's for more security, I guess, to keep it more level. So I'm just spreading my white Amsterdam paint with water. I just need to put a little bit more on. A lot of air bubbles. I mixed this last night, hoping to get rid of some of these bubbles, but still there. So I'm just gonna have to torch it, I guess, really good, because I think that's what causes my white bubbles to come up through the paint. This is a consistency. If you can see this, see how it runs, just runs straight off, and it doesn't even make a mound or anything in the cup. Paint and water. So now I'll torch it. That works okay. I'm still working on my technique, the blowing technique with the hairdryer. So, okay, the paint colors today. So I have a ultramarine violet. This is a Amsterdam. And I think I put a little bit of iridescent medium in that one. I have a phthalo green by Winsor Newton. Still needs a little more water. Oh, I always do that and drip. It's better. I have a gold. I think it's a Deco Art gold. I can't remember which one this is, so use any gold you want, as long as it's got water in it. This is Winsor blue. And this is Winsor violet. Well, I use tubes. And then I have a cerulean blue. Okay, so let's see how this goes. And I've saved some in my cup for going around. Just trying to decide which one to put on the bottom. I think I'll put the violet on the bottom. There's not much of this left. I'll put some of this ultramarine violet. Put some phthalo green. I'm not going to put a lot of this green. I don't want it to overtake it. Some gold. Two more left, blue and blue. I'll put the Winsor blue. And cerulean blue. I'm going to take my torch. Take my torch to this. All right. Cross our fingers. Oh yeah, I got to put my white around. I don't think I usually put enough, so I'm going to put lots. It helps the paint flow. All right. Got my hair dryer. I'm going to use Cool. Do too much. Okay, I like the blending. I think I need to blow here a little bit. Whoa, that's pretty. I'm happier with this one. Much better. I didn't get all those white dots. I think I torched it pretty good. There might be the odd one. Now I think I'll see if I can blow this. There, I like it. This is just a little wobbly here. I think I'm happy with this one. Colors just came out nice. A little bit of green, not too much. A couple of white spots, but not so much. I'm gonna see if I can touch it and it'll go away. Okay, I think I'm gonna torch it, see what happens. Making those little tiny ones. Oh, see, I brought out some more white ones. Don't like these big white ones. I'm gonna have to make up some paint a few days ahead of time. Well, you don't want to see me sitting here popping white bubbles, so I'm just going to poke a few of them and get rid of the bubbles. So there, that's better than the one I did yesterday anyway. There. Yeah, they go away if you stick something in there. I'm sure it's an air bubble popping up through the color. So I gotta make sure I do my white paint a few days ahead of time, and then give it a good torch on the white base to get all the air bubbles out before you start. I don't mind a couple. They're okay because there's color in there. What do you think? Not bad, eh? I like the colors. There. I like these little tiny ones. A little few here. If you get a little close with it, you get more. Oh, and I just brought out a couple more of these. All right, I'm going to show you a close-up. There, isn't that pretty? I love it. Well, have a good day, everyone, and thanks for coming by. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below, let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, could you please subscribe? That would be awesome. And yeah, I'm trying to get to 70,000. I'm getting there. Anyway, have a good day, and if it's not dry in the end of the video, you'll see it at the next video. Have a good one. Okay, bye-bye. When I came back, because I wanted to show you the dried swipe. It dried really good. It didn't move. It's just a bit wet in the middle, so I'm not touching it. But yeah, it's awesome. It dried really good. So there you go. Have a good day.